All right, this is a very, very quick one, okay? So with trigonometry, we've got sec, cosec, and cot, haven't we? Cotangent. Well, same again with these, okay? We've got sech, cosech, coth. So sechx is 1 over cosechx, the reciprocal, of course. Cosechx is 1 over sinx, and cothx is 1 over tangx, okay? I think there's no arguments, by the way, about the pronunciation. Yeah, everyone says coth, everyone I think says cosech or cosech, okay, and everyone says sech, okay. Now, maybe just check this yourself, but I've written in blue here what the exponential expressions are, all right? So just check that. So the hint, of course, is you start off with 1 over cosechx, and you put the exponentials in for that, and you simplify it to get this. Maybe just do that, okay? Maybe just check when you substitute in the definition for cosh, sin and tanh, you can simplify to get these, okay? So 2 over e to the x plus e to negative x, 2 over e to the x subtract e to the negative x, and e to 2x plus 1 over e to 2x subtract 1. Next, your task will be to draw the graphs and see how you get on. I'm not going to draw the graphs here. Maybe I'll insert them as pictures when I edit this video, okay? It's probably better, okay? However, this one kind of looks like a normal curve, but it isn't. You know, it's like, you know, the catena looks like a quadratic curve, but it's not, okay? This one looks like a normal curve, but it isn't. The maximum value there of y equals 1, because when x is 0, you got 1 plus 1, you got 2 divided by 2 is 1. And because this denominator is always positive, then as x gets larger or smaller away from 0, the y value gets smaller and smaller, okay? But it always stays positive, okay? It's why it looks like a normal curve, okay? These ones, they kind of look similar when you draw it. They kind of look similar, okay? There's an asymptote at x equals 0, because when x equals 0 here and here, notice the denominators are both 0, and 2 divided by 0, that divided by 0, tends towards infinity. They look like reciprocal functions. You know, the reciprocal graph looks like y equals 1 over x. They look like that, okay? So, in a way, you know, the graphs might sound complicated. They're kind of easy to remember, really, okay? If you remember the catena, if you remember the chain for the cosh, remember the x cubed for the sin, and then remember the, well, what does that one look like? Well, it doesn't really, does it? The awkward one, should we say? Okay. Then this one looks like the normal curve. These two look like the 1 over x. Okay. Yeah. Well, I said it was going to be short, and that was it.